Happening now. State Democrats in western Wisconsin are asking for Congressman Derrick Van Orden's help to make sure Wisconsin gets federal hospital funding that was planned for in the state budget. 18 News' Toby Moore breaks it down for us.
You might remember this was one main reason the state budget was signed in the early morning hours of July 3rd after lengthy negotiations. Passing the budget before the One Big Beautiful Bill was signed into law on July 4th meant Wisconsin could increase the amount of money collected from the state provider tax on hospitals. That money is used to offset state funding towards the medical assistance program. It also secured $500 million for rural health care and about $1 billion for health care every year. That was something Congressman Van Orden advocated for, urging Governor Evers in a letter to sign the budget before July 4th to take advantage of that funding. Now that funding is uncertain. According to a report from the Wisconsin Legislative Fiscal Bureau on Thursday, early guidance from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid says it is uncertain if Wisconsin could make those changes to the provider tax without getting federal approval first. If they do not allow the change, Wisconsin would face a shortfall of about $800 million over 2 years. State Democrats wrote a letter to Van Orden asking for his help to make sure that federal funding reaches Wisconsin. Representative Jody Emerson says she believes they can work together on this.
We really are not making this a partisan issue. We're just trying to highlight an issue that we're seeing with our constituents that are also his constituents. And I'm hoping that we can put partisanship aside and make sure that this gets done, because if it doesn't happen, it's a loss for Wisconsin.
Van Orden is out of office while his wife undergoes a medical procedure, but we did get a statement from his communications director. She said in part, quote, Congressman Van Orden has been working day and night with the administration to ensure Wisconsin receives the hospital funding.
Thanks, Toby. You can read Van Orden's full statement on WQOW.com.